In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart using templates on Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find ready-made designs and how to open one so it's yours to edit and make your own. Start on the main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see right after signing in. From here, look for the Templates section. Clicking Templates takes you to Canva's library of professionally designed layouts. Using a template is the fastest way to create a clean, readable Gantt chart without building one from scratch. Once you're in Templates, use the search bar and type Gantt chart. Press Enter, and you'll see a gallery of Gantt chart templates in different styles, colors, and layouts. This search focuses your results so you're only seeing designs that are already structured for timelines, tasks, and progress bars. Take a moment to browse the results. Hover over a design to get a quick feel for the layout, then click any template to open a larger preview. In this preview, check a few things. Make sure the orientation and size fit how you plan to use the chart, confirm the timescale makes sense for your project, and look at text legibility. Clear labels will save you time later. You can also note the color scheme and general style to see if it matches your brand or presentation needs. If you're working within a free account, look for templates labeled as free so you can use them without constraints. When you find a template you like, click it to view the details, and then select Customize this template. This instantly opens the design in the Canva editor, and at this point, it's yours to modify. You'll see the chart elements, labels, and shapes laid out on the canvas, ready to personalize. Replace placeholder titles with your project name, update task names and phases, and adjust dates or durations to match your schedule. You can edit fonts and colors to align with your brand, and if the bars are shapes, you can resize them to reflect timing more accurately. Keep an eye on alignment so everything stays readable. Canva's snap guides help with that. As you work, remember that templates are fully editable, so feel free to duplicate pages for longer timelines or simplify the design if you need a quick overview. The key is that you started with a solid structure, which makes customizing faster and more consistent. That's all there is to it. Open Canva, go to Templates, search Gantt chart, browse, preview, and hit Customize this template. From there, you're set to tailor the chart to your project with confidence.